Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can create an Etsy shop in India. Firstly, to create an Etsy shop in India, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once you open up a web browser, on the top of your screen, you'll see the search bar or in the middle of your screen. Now, on the top of your screen, type in etsy.com/sell and then hit the search button. Once you hit the search button, you'll be redirected to this page. Now, on this page, scroll down and find this Open Your Etsy Shop option. After you click on that option, you'll have to log in or sign up using your email address, or you can continue with Google like this. Now choose an account you want to continue with like this and click on continue again. After you click on continue, you will be on this page of Etsy. Now on this page of Etsy, just simply click on this let's do this option like this. Once you click on that option, you'll have to answer some questions. Now you can just choose an option and click on continue, or you can just skip this question by clicking on this button. Now on this page, you can choose an option like this and click on next, or you can skip this question too. Now after you do that, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, click on the start your shop option. After you click on start your shop, you will have to choose a country for your account. Now this is the most crucial part of the video. Now you can choose a language like this, and now to open a shop in India, you'll have to type in INDIA or find it by scrolling down and then choose the currency you want your shop to be in and then click on this save and continue option. Once you do that, you'll have to fill in some details, like you'll have to name your shop, you'll have to stock your shop, you'll have to choose how you will get paid, you will have to share your billing info, and you'll have to fill in some shop security details. And once you select the country India and follow these steps, your shop account of Etsy will be opened up in India. I hope this video helped you to open a Etsy shop in India. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.